All right, in this video, I want to illustrate how you can take this long tail keyword strategy and expand it into other languages, even if you can only speak one language. So I can only speak and write in one language myself, but there are other offers out there that are in languages other than English. You know, there's tons of other languages out there. So just like there are English offers out there, there are, Spanish offers, French offers, German offers. And just because you only speak one language, there's no reason for that to hold you back, with all the technology that's available at your fingertips online. And I want to show you how you can do that really quickly. So there's various affiliate programs out there and CPA offers that have offers, very similar offers that you would promote in English, but they're available in other languages like Spanish and French and German and things like that. I'm just going to use this health affiliate network called Market Health as an example. So as you can see, they've got Dutch offers, they've got French offers, German offers, Italian, Japanese, Spanish ones, all these different kinds of offers. And so if you don't speak that language, you might think, well, those are kind of off limits to me. Yeah, I don't speak, I can't translate my articles, I can't write in those languages. That's not a problem. And so a lot of affiliates don't go after these kind of languages. And so a lot of times what you'll find is that because of that is that they're extremely easy to rank for those terms in those other languages and get traffic for and make lots of money for. So I'm going to show you how to do that really quickly. So let's just take a generic health offer that's in English. Let's just see what we have. So we got cold sore relief. So let's just copy this, plug it into our keyword research tool, cold sore relief, and then from this point we can take some of these keywords, copy them, and then plug them into a free translation service or tool like freetranslation.com, and it will translate these into whatever language we have over here. So in this case, let's just do French. It's going to translate this list. I don't know what any of this says, but I'm pretty sure it says something very similar to what's in this list over here. So that's how you can target other keywords. You can do the same thing with articles. So whether you're writing your own article or you're getting it outsourced through a place like iWriter, you may not can justify the price of a massive amount of articles, but when you factor in the fact that you can stretch this content and duplicate it across multiple different languages, every time you spin it and translate it into another language, which isn't necessarily going to cost you any money or very little, you're squeezing more out of that same article that you paid a couple bucks for. So if you're going the cheap route, you can use a tool like Free Translation, or if you want to make sure that content is grammatically correct, you can use a service like 1 Hour Translation. They're usually pretty affordable and they're typically pretty fast on the turnaround time. So this is a very simple way that you can scale into other languages. There's lots of offers out there that are in these other languages, and a lot of affiliates out there that only speak English. They think that just because they only speak English that they can't promote like Spanish offers or German offers or whatnot. And so now that you can, and you don't have to speak these 10 other languages to make this happen. So you can just take that article in your language and then just translate it into another article. And now this may not work so well with like super technical stuff, but with generic kind of offers like generic make money online or generic health and beauty offers, this is going to work just fine. And again, the competition in these foreign markets is much lower than some of these English offers, because you don't have all these English speaking marketers going after them. And a lot of times people from these countries that are Spanish speaking, French speaking, German speaking, they generally have a smaller population, and there's just and for whatever reason there's less people that speak those languages that happen to be internet marketers and online marketers and people that actually understand and are good at SEO. So again, this is just another angle that you can use to scale this same long tail keyword SEO strategy.